Okay, now one more topic which is related with the dictionary. We will try to understand. So first of all, let us compare. We will compare comparison of all the data, comparison of all collection data types. Collection data types. So what we have discussed in the previous classes, four types of collection data types. Four types of collection data types. Four types of collection data types in Python. Okay, they are they are called as one is that one is list. Already we have discussed comma, tuple, comma, set, comma, dictionary. Okay. So how many? Four collection data types. So we will compare each and every one like this list. First list. List is a collection data type. Okay. So the the items are ordered. Comma, ordered means indexed. Okay. So values are changeable. Values are changeable. And allows duplicacy. Duplicacy means duplicate values allow. Okay. Next is what list. Next tuple. Tuple. What is the? We are comparing all the collection data types here. So collection. The items are ordered in list. Okay, indexed, changeable. The items are changeable. Allows duplicacy. Tuple is what? In tuple, already I have briefed in the previous classes, but here, I want to compare all the items, all the collection data types. Okay, tuple. In tuple, items are ordered. Ordered. Items are also ordered. Okay. Items are also ordered in tuple. They are also indexed. Okay. Next, they can be changeable. Values can be changeable in tuple as list. Okay. Ordered, indexed. Okay. Changeable. So there the values are unchangeable in tuple. Okay. Next, duplicacy is there. So in tuple also allows duplicacy. Duplicacy means same values can be kept in the tuple. So what is the difference between list and tuple? Items are ordered in list, in tuple also ordered, indexed, changeable. So items are changeable in list, but in tuple they are not changeable. So only this is the difference. Okay. For the list and tuple. Items are ordered, indexed, unchangeable, allows duplicacy. So next is what about the set? Let us try to understand. Already I have discussed. So in set is values are unordered. Okay. So unordered means there is no any order. So if values are unordered, so no indexing. No indexing. Okay. So what about that changing? So they are unchangeable. Set is what? Unordered, no indexing means unindexed, unchangeable. Values are unchangeable. Okay. Set is totally different from list and tuple. The difference between list and tuple is only list values, elements are changeable, but tuple values are unchangeable. Values, items, all are equal. So set is values are items means whatever these are called, okay, elements. Elements are unordered, so there's no any indexing. The values are unchangeable. Okay. So next, and duplicacy. No any duplicates. No duplicacy. Duplicacy. Okay. That is the difference between. So set is totally different from other collection data types. Next is what your dictionary. So dictionary, I am briefing now. In dictionary, what happened? Dictionary items are ordered. So ordered means indexing is there, and then values are changeable. Values are changeable, comma, no duplicacy. Here, no duplicacy. So as per your requirement, it is up to you which data type you want to use. Which data type, as per your requirement, you can use. As per your requirement, you need which type of collection data type. Accordingly, you need to use the data type. So next, we will try to understand accessing the dictionary items. So how can we access? How can we access values or items? Items are elements, all are equal. So simply I am writing here items. Okay, items. So how can we access items in a dictionary? Dictionary, how? So we can by referring the index, by referring its key value, by referring its key name, by referring its key name. So let us see how. How can we access item? So in this dictionary, so come there, this is dictionary. I have created a fruit dictionary. I have created here. Within this, how can I access any key name? Means how can I access any value? This is the value. This is the key. If I want to access this value, I can, by referring of this key, I can get this value. So let us see how. So simply I need to write the code like this. First of all, fruit. First of all, fruit is equal. Okay. First of all, you do one thing. Fruit we have declared. Fruit we have declared. So I need to mention here in square brackets, in square brackets, we can refer simply by the, where is this, by can this key value, if we refer by this key, we can get this value. So how to refer? Call the variable name and here papaya. Okay, papaya. So simply you write that papaya is a string papaya. Okay. Now this total, the total syntax you have written assigned to any variable. Suppose take a value x is equal to this one. Otherwise you write meaningful. So value is a because we want to know the value of a key. So value is a variable. So value is equal to fruit papaya. So then you ask for print. Take a print. Print of what? that variable. Now value is a variable which holds the value of this papaya key. Where is that papaya? This is the key. As I told you, the dictionary is defined with pairs. Pair is what? One key. This is the papaya as the key, and this is the value. Both will be separated by the column. So now this is called one key value pair. So if I want to know this value, so I need to refer the key. Okay, so that I have referred here, and the totals, the code I have written, this is assigned to a variable. Now variable is value. Now request for print. So now run this code. Now if you run this code, what are you? We are getting what? Yellow. Yellow is what? Papaya's color. I have passed papaya yellow. So I want to get this value. By this, so by referring, how can we access items in a dictionary? Item means here value I am accessing. So by referring its key name. So key name I have passed here. That key name passed to a variable. After that, a variable called by that. Next. Next, here we can also use get method. We can also use get method. Method, always I told you that function or method, they must be suffixed with brackets. Suffixed means next, okay. Prefixed means before. Before, if you keep any brackets just before this word, means brackets are prefixed. Here brackets are suffixed. Next, okay. So we can also use get method. So how the get method will be used here to get the value. Okay. So simply we can use like value is a variable which will hold the key value. Okay. Value is a variable which will hold the key value. So first you need to call the refer the dictionary name. Then after, once you keep the dot operator here, you will get the method where this is the get method. Okay. Now kept the get method. Within this get method, you need to pass the key value. What is our key value? That is what? Papaya. Okay. That papaya is a string. You can keep that papaya in a double quotation marks or single quotation marks. It doesn't matter. Okay. So now and request for print value. So now what happened? Try to understand. Now run this code. What you are getting? One more yellow. Okay. So we can use the get method. So papaya here declared in string. Okay. So if that string can also be declared in single quotation mark, it doesn't mean. So once you have started with single quotation marks, that is to be ended with the single quotation marks. That's why it's giving error. So single quotation marks. Okay, now if you run this code, same result you will get. Okay, two yellow. Okay, now come down. So I have used the get method to get the values. We can also use get method to get values of keys. Okay. Next is what?